Good morning, students. We had came here with the new video. It's a part 4. We are here. We will talk about the archaeological places. Okay. Some are maths and some were lines were remaining in the previous, and we talked about it. Okay. Chapter 2, Standard 6, subject number social science. By looking at the textbook, we can know about it. Okay. Here, the downwards we know previously we have talked about the whole map. About the primitive map, we can say we were living, many of the places nearby the river and the things we know about it. Okay. Here we will talk about for example, in the map, how the places are pointed out the naturally placed. Okay. How the nearby the river, why river? This all the things are found by who? We can say अब ये जो चीजें हैं वो कैसे फाउंड हुआ करता था, तो we can say this all the things have been found by the archaeologists. Okay, this all the things were found by the archaeologists, were the historians. They have found some of the, we can say, the peoples who were living, where they were living in the central India, in the India forest, we can say. Such type of very good places were also there. For example, in the map we can say here Madhya Pradesh, Bhimbetka also had been found. Okay, in the caves nearby, because primitive man were living in the caves mostly. On that time, they were living their presence. How we know? We can say they were drawing many of the pictures. So बहुत सारे pictures draw करते थे birds के, animals के. They doesn't know the languages. On that time, they doesn't know the languages. So what they will do? By showing it, what they will, how we know that they were living there. So we can say by colorful, natural colors. They were drawing. For example, if I don't happen to speak, तो हमारा जो language होगा, अगर मैं बोलना नहीं जानती तो क्या होगा? I am unable to speak. For example, I doesn't have a voice. So what will happen? I will make the big pictures. मैं picture बनाऊंगी, ठीक है? I will make a picture and show you all the peoples कि what I want. I will write something. If I know the writing, if I know the writing, then also. अगर मुझे बोलना नहीं आता, चलो मान लिया मैं लिख के बता दूँ. लेकिन अगर मुझे लिखना भी नहीं आता तो let's think about the primitive man who doesn't knows the learning, who doesn't know the writing, who even doesn't know the speaking, what to tell and what things to tell. So on that time, what will happen? They will draw the pictures. In the ancient times, we can say, very of them in the caves, more than 500 they are taking the books. We can say, उससे भी ज़्यादा बहुत सारे animals, birds के चित्र मिले हैं. Many of the figures where they will start drawing and showing. Tomorrow will be, they were thinking if they would not be there, so other people, whoever the generation will knows the such things. ठीक है ना, वो चीजें वो जान सकते हैं. Can you know the such things? Okay, we can say these are the places where this were found. We can say it was found in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, the Bhimbetka. Then we can say they were found for the caves. We can say in the central India, also in the Vindhya forest. Naturally, the primitive man were living in the forest more. In the caves where the there, where the jungles were there. On that time, we can say this place can be found. Understood this thing? Now, I said about the 500 drawings also they had done. Now scrolling down. Caves of India. Look at that. The caves. जहाँ primitive में ऐसा proof had been found by the evidence. By the evidence we have found it. कि very of the peoples were there who were living here. क्या फाइंड किया गया है? बहुत सारे लोग जो होते थे ऐसे एविडेंस मिले हैं कि वो लोग यहाँ करते थे. Okay, this all the discussion we will do in this part 4. More and more discussion we will do, है ना? With the pictures. Okay, with the pictures we will discuss about more and more about this part. Okay, by looking at the caves, what you all just look down. Caves of Bhimbetka means Madhya Pradesh. We know here very of the, we can say, ashes had been found in the primitive men. In the South India also some of the things had been found. Indicate that they were familiar with the fire. As we are getting very of the evidence, जो हमें evidence मिलता है, तो evidence के base पे हम prove करते हैं कि हाँ शायद उसके बाद जो स्टोरेज गया, how they were living, then they start drawing the things, and afterward they have also what we have got an archaeologist, we can say they have gotten the proof of the fire ashes. ठीक है, यानी आग जलाई जाती है. Primitive man को आग जलाना आता था. They know the use of the fire by getting the ashes on them. As for the historians, approximately 1100 years ago, 11,000 we can say years ago, 11,000 साल पहले humans started using fire. Use of fire had revolutionary in their life because with the help of it they could cook the meat, food we can say, and protect themselves from the wild animals. Fire is very important, you know. Fire is very important. Why fire is very important? Because it is very useful. हर चीज की एक अच्छाई होती है, तो फायर की क्या अच्छाई है? We can say the fire help us to primitive man as we fire के 11,000 साल पहले, ठीक है? The proof, the evidence of the fire had been found. So what we will think? अगर fire they have discovered it, there was a revolution of fire had been found. So what are the things are there? We can say with the help of the fire they can make their food. वो अपना खाना बना सकते थे, ठीक है? Then after what they will do? By making the food, the main thing they can get the light, मशाल जला सकते थे and protect themselves from the wild animals. Okay, understood? A discovery of fire and the wheels and the uses. As I told you, how do we know? Because not only the Bhimbetka about the caves of that of the Madhya Pradesh, but in the south part also, very of the ashes, ठीक है? आप कहोगे कि आग जलाई थी 11,000 साल पहले, तो हमको अभी कैसे पता चला? By the proof, by the evidence, you know the सबूत होते जो निकालते, same way. We can see the runs of the ashes found in the caves, okay, of the primitive man in the South India indicate there were many fires. As per the historians, 11,000 years ago, humans started using fire. Okay, humans started using the fire. Use of fire had revolutionized their life because with the help of it, they could cook the meat and eat, get light and protect themselves from the wild animals. Okay, it means we are cutting the fruit. अगर उनके पास, we are thinking that कि अगर हम fire के use की बात करते हैं, if we are getting the use of the fire, what will happen? If I got the use of the fire, what will happen? We can say they will help profit by cooking the food. We are thinking that अगर आग जलानी आती हो तो क्या क्या फॉलो कर सकते? So main we can say they will cook the food. Okay, cook the food, whatever the meat. Actually on that time they were having the roots of fruits. They were eating the raw. So we can say they will thinking that way they will cook the food and get like protect themselves from the wild animals. Okay, they will protect themselves from the. This is the main thing we can say, from the wild animals they are getting the protection by the fire, because with the help of the fire the animals can run, because animals mostly people there is a आग से लोगों को डर लगता है, naturally they just have the fear of burn alive, natural, ठीक है? So we can understand with the help of the fire, the primitive man they thought that they can get the light, they can make the food, they can protect themselves from the wild animals. This proof has been also gathered. That's why we thought that. Understood this all the things? Now even today it is possible to think about the life without fire. Can we think the life without fire? No, it's impossible. Okay? We can't get the life without fire. Next, initially discovery of wheel would have brought big changes in the human things. Okay? Very of the discovery, we know after that, after having the storage, after having the, we can say just save themselves from the rain, they have living in the caves, wearing the bark of the trees or cloths of the trees. Okay, they also have mentioned about the fire. We have gotten the proof also, and this fire, this wheel, we can after that is written after fire they have mentioned the wheel. Okay, they mentioned the wheel. From there they can make the utensil. We can say proof had been evidence. We know what is of that. A new revolutionary life had been started. A new revolutionary life had been started. They learned to make wheels from tree trunk and tree wood. They learned. What they learned from the wheel? We can say they learned what? We can say they learned to make the wheel from tree trunk and tree wood. How they started making? From the wood, because they are living in a jungle. है ना? If they are living in a jungle, then what are the materials they have got? They will make from them only. उनसे ही बनाएंगे. ठीक है? So we can say these are the things by which they have made. We can say the wheels. A new revolution has been started. As a fire, the fire is getting by the crushing of the two stones. It means the use of the whatever the things they are getting nearby, they are using that Understood that thing? Understood how they are using, with things they were using? Okay? Now, changing the environment. If I talk about the changing the environment in this, the para point is given changing the environment. Okay? What is written here? We are getting to the new point, changing environment. Naturally, a new revolution had been found on that time about the finding of the making of the new, we can say, wheel, tree trunk and the thick wood. Okay. Changing environment we talked about 12,000 years ago. There was a widespread change in the atmosphere of the world. Due to increasing temperature, vegetation and grass fields started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, number of grass-eating animals, herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc. increased. Primitive men certainly got benefit of it, starting studying this animal's behavior and thus the natural development started. Okay, when we have developed so many things, naturally the changing in the environment will be started, the thinking of a human being will be started, okay, how to survive. They are learning only those things, they are how they are learning, by making such of the various things, it means the development mind is there. ठीक है, दिमाग का यूज कर रहे हैं, बिहेवियर दैट इज चेंजिंग, वी आर लर्निंग द एनिमल्स, कैट्स एंड एनिमल्स टू बी टू लर्न अबाउट द बिहेवियर ऑफ द एनिमल. किस समय पे वो भाग जाएगा, इस समय पे रुकेगा, अभी वो पानी पिएगा, इस समय मारना पड़ेगा. तो दिस आर द स्टडीज they have been done, primitive men have been done during the time. Okay, so they are learning by oneself. When we are learning something, survive करने के लिए जब हम जिंदा रहने के लिए हम कुछ न कुछ करते हैं, वो चीजें हम सबके सब सीखते हैं. सीखे बिना तो कुछ नहीं होता, सब कुछ सीखना पड़ता है. ठीक है, we can just say the same it happened. We can say primitive man certainly got benefit of it. They started studying this animal's behavior and thus their mental development started. Around 12,000 years ago, ये जो बात शुरू हुई है about the fires, a revolutionary had been started. Okay, it had been started. We can say how much years ago? It had been started. We can say about 1200 years ago, 12,000 साल पहले की बात हो रही है. ठीक है. If I talk about the 12,000 years ago, what will happen? We can say grass field, growing areas were there, where the jungles, you know, the very good greeneries were there. So naturally the herbivores, you know, in the science there are the herbivores, carnivores, omnivorous animals are. Herbivores means domestic type animals eating the grass. Okay, carnivorous means only the wild animals who are eating flesh. Omnivorous, we are one of the omnivorous also. Deer, है ना? Many of the wild animals are also there who are eating the, we can say even the crows also. We can say where the birds are there. Omnivorous means such beings who are eating the flesh and plus we can say the vegetation also. Okay, in the science you learned about a lot about of it. Okay, I'm talking about so that particularly you know about all the things. Okay, grass fields started growing in many areas of the world. As a result, number of grass eating animals like herbivores like deer, sheep, goat, etc. were found increased. अब अगर अच्छे we can say very of the herbivores animals are there, so what will happen? Naturally we found about it. Okay, I'm just we can say just yes side so that you can easily see about those not having the text book. जिनके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है, मैं बहुत बार साइड हो जाता हूँ जिससे आपको ये चित्र, आपको whatever the pictures are on the screen can be easily seen, because if I standing there तो शायद आधा दिखाई नहीं देगा as a joke apart. ठीक है, तो let's get started with studies. So we can say primitive man certainly got benefit of it. They are studying this animal's behavior. They start studying the development of the human mind also started. Naturally, the development of fire, they develop the Stone Age. They start researching on the animals, how to behave, what was the behavior of the animals. So all the things, learn the human to have a new things to do. New invention, we can say, invention was doing. तो वो survive, only for survive they were doing. ठीक है, फिर survive के लिए ही वो लोग करते हैं. लेकिन हम कह सकते हैं जो survive है, ये लोग बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे हैं. Primitive man, the mans, women, whatever people are living on that time, they were learning a lot about. Understood? We have talked about, we can say, about the changing environment. Along of the paragraphs are there, we will discuss about more here. Okay, now I am completing this video. Okay, अभी मैं यहाँ पे वीडियो खत्म कर रही हूँ. On the next about this topic only more. What to do? Read the textbook,